Listen, we are in the middle of the biggest AI revolution I've ever seen. AI agents are replacing entire teams. Google search is dying. We're watching capabilities double every few months, and we haven't even hit the scaling wall yet. There's a window of opportunity right now that's absolutely massive, and I'm going to show you exactly how to capitalize on it. Hey there, this is Anik's AI clone. While the real Anik is out there running multiple businesses, scaling companies, and working with clients, I'm here to share his knowledge. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact system I would use if I had to start over and get rich in the AI space in 2025. This isn't some theoretical framework. This is a proven business model that's working right now, just supercharged with AI. But before we dive in, I need to be clear about something. I'm not guaranteeing you're going to get rich with AI or make any specific amount of money. This is the system I would personally follow if I had to start over in the AI space today. I feel confident in these strategies because I've researched them extensively and seen them work, but I don't want you to drop everything and go all in without thinking it through. Remember, my experience with business building, AI tools, and content creation gives me an unfair advantage. My results are never typical. This system may or may not work for you. Now let's get into the 7 proven steps that worked before AI, now supercharged for 2025. Step 1, pick your niche. Before you can start making money with AI, you need to understand something crucial. There are so many ways to make money online, and they're all great. I mean, you can start an Amazon business, you can be on eBay, you can start a content site and monetize with AdSense, you can do affiliate marketing, you can build a list. I've experienced many of them over the past 20 plus years. But for this, we'll focus on building AI personas. AI personas are specialized AI assistants trained to write in your customer's exact voice. They handle social media posts, sales pages, emails, and essentially become AI clones of your customer's writing style. First of all, with AI personas, you can charge thousands of dollars per customer for basic setup. You can have 90 to 95% profit margins. You don't have to have a team, you don't have to have a lot of money, and you don't have to introduce unnecessary risk. Now here's where most people mess up, and I made this mistake too. They think, I'm going to do something generic because I want the largest audience possible. That's the biggest mistake I see people making. Like, if you go after everyone, it becomes too time intensive and too costly. You can't compete. You can't charge premium prices. You can't become the go-to expert. Think about it. Facebook didn't start by targeting everyone. They started with Ivy League university students. Amazon didn't start by selling everything. They only sold books. Once they dominated their niche, then they expanded. So here's what you need in a good niche. Has tons of organic reach. Easy to target and find a very specific audience. Has capital to spend, not people in financial need. Growing market. Easy to reach with paid ads. The key is fast results. Pick a niche where you know that within 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks max, you can get them some result, not the end result, but some result, so they have that positive reinforcement and see the value immediately. Step 2, high margin business. Now let me explain why margins are absolutely critical. They're your moat. They protect your business from competition. Most businesses operate on thin margins. Restaurants might make 3 to 5% profit. E-commerce might make 10 to 15%. Even software companies often struggle with 30 to 40% margins and are difficult to build. That's why I love building AI personas, especially if you're a beginner. They have huge margins, maybe even as much as 90 to 95%, barring your time. Here's the service hierarchy that actually works. Level 1, AI persona setup services. You charge $2,000 to $5,000 for a complete persona system. Your costs? Maybe $200 in AI subscriptions and your time. Level 2, AI persona systems. You build complete persona ecosystems with 5 to 10 specialized personas per client. You can charge $5,000 to $15,000 for complete systems because you're replacing what would cost them $50,000 to $100,000 in employee salaries. Level 3, AI persona templates and courses. You package your persona creation process into templates and courses. You create it once, sell it hundreds of times. You are not building software. You're creating specialized AI workers inside existing platforms. No coding required, no technical headaches, just pure value creation. Step 3, target businesses who want to integrate AI. Now you need to find businesses that are actively looking to integrate AI but don't know where to start. These are your goldmine prospects because they understand the value of AI but lack the expertise to implement it themselves. The key is targeting businesses that are already successful but are feeling the pressure to modernize or risk being left behind by competitors who are adopting AI. You can find them on any social media platform or through your network, depending your niche. Step 4, the AI writing team offer. Create an irresistible offer, something that eliminates risk, easy to delivery, and also easy to convey. Here's something you can do. Create 5 specialized AI personas that write all your content in your exact voice and style. The 5 AI personas: email writer, social media manager, long-form content scripts, sales page writer, and LinkedIn posts. Realistic pricing: $2,000 for basic 3-persona setup, $5,000 for complete 5-persona system, $1,000 per month for ongoing optimization. Why these prices work? A single part-time content creator costs $2,000 to $4,000 per month. You're replacing an entire content team for a one-time fee. The proof that sells: show before and after examples, take their existing content, then show the AI persona version written in their voice. When they see their voice perfectly replicated by AI, the sale becomes inevitable. Real example: your email AI writes your weekly newsletter every Tuesday, your social AI creates daily LinkedIn posts, your sales AI writes all your landing pages, all in your voice automatically. Step 5, validate with sample personas. Here's where most people screw up. They try to sell something they've never proven works. The validation process asks for 20 to 30 pieces of their existing content, create 1 to 2 sample AI personas using their writing style. This takes 2 to 4 hours of work. The validation offer: let me create a sample email AI for you for free. If you love it, we'll build the complete system. If not, you keep the email AI as a thank you. This is how you eliminate the risk. Deliver within 24 hours. About 70% of people who see their AI persona working will want the full system. When someone sees AI writing in their exact voice and style, it's like magic to them. The validation isn't just proving your system works, it's getting them to envision their new reality. Step 6, build systems manually. Let me be brutally honest, building AI persona systems is real work. For your first $100,000, you better be ready to hustle it out. The realistic 4-step process: 1, content analysis, 3 to 5 hours, study 50 plus pieces of their content for writing patterns. 2, prompt engineering, 2 to 4 hours, create specialized instructions for each AI persona. 3rd, persona training, 3 to 6 hours, feed examples and test outputs until it sounds like them. 4, quality control and delivery, 2 to 4 hours, test all personas and deliver access. Total time investment, 10 to 20 hours per client. Step 7, scale with templates. Here's where the real money gets made: when you stop trading time for money and start scaling your proven system. The reinvestment rule: at least half of what you make needs to go back into growth. Once you've created AI persona systems for 5 to 10 clients, you'll start seeing patterns. Fitness coaches need similar personas. Business coaches need similar personas. That's when you turn your custom work into scalable templates. The 3 realistic scaling paths. Path 1, template business. Create AI persona setup templates for different niches and sell them. Path 2, done for you service. Keep doing custom setups but work faster with your templates. Path 3, hybrid model. Offer templates for DIY people plus setup services for done-for-you clients. These are the same business principles that have always worked: high margins, niche targeting, irresistible offers, fast results, systematic scaling. AI is just the ultimate amplifier. Reality check: this requires real work. You're creating valuable AI tools, not magic automation. There's urgency here. The window is open now, while most people don't know how to do this properly. Start with one creator, prove the system works, then scale with templates. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, when life pushes you, stand straight, smile, and push it the heck back.